Alright guys, just a little quick tour of what I kind of did this weekend. I'm phasing out this old junk table right here. 2x42. That's still a handy little old grinder. But this is what I did. I stabilized the base on this vise right here. And you say what you want to about Harbor Freight, but this vise right there stood his stead and paid his dues. All I did was take a milk crate and pour a 50-pound of concrete in there and then an oak stump, and that's a forever stand right there. She's pretty heavy. I'll give me some stakes and stabilize that right there, or just pour another slab around that, because this is kind of where I want it right here with that metal in the back. As you know, the coal iron. I'm gonna pour a little Sig Forge. Yeah, there's a piece of it right there. See how hot we're cooking. We done melted them fire bricks right there. They rated for, I believe, 2,300, maybe more. So it's just a little minor repair. We got plenty to do. This new table I'm working on. Probably gonna make a rack from my tongs and my hammers. And I'm gonna concrete that in the ground too eventually. And here's my baby. My anvil. Yep, this the first good anvil I got. Over yonder by the generator. That chunk of iron right there, that's the first good anvil I got. Big old chunk of iron, heavy. But this is her right here. All right, y'all, man, we'll see you next time.